This one is this quesadilla, shredded chicken with cheese. Got this from Costco, and this is, I believe, is good because everybody was telling me that I should try it when I went to Costco, so here it is. And here's the package, and there should be an instruction here on how to air fry it as well. Let's go ahead and open this box, and here is what's inside. It comes in a one bag, and there's plenty of them. I think there's 16 of them, and we're just gonna place this in the air fryer basket and spray a little bit of oil and just spread that all over the quesadilla, and don't forget to do it both sides. And we're gonna place this in the air fryer. So the instruction says air fryer, remove quesadilla from the packaging, preheat air fryer 360 and heat for 5 minutes to 6 minutes. Turn quesadillas as halfway through heating. Let set for 1 minute and enjoy. So on this air fryer, there's a steak button, which is already set for 400 degrees. And I'm just gonna put that on 5 minutes. So now it's done. Let's check it. It says you have to let it sit for 1 minute, but I'm gonna flip it on the other side and cook it for 2 more minutes. I'm gonna put this back, and then 400 degrees for 2 minutes. Ooh, that looks delicious. Okay, it's been a minute. We're gonna remove it and just plate it. You could hear a little footstep. That's my Yorkie. Every time I cook something, he likes to go in the kitchen and check it out. But this. So here's the first one. And you just top it with probably tomatoes, sour cream, or whatever. But it looks good. Maybe we could try it too. Oh, it's still hot. I'm just gonna let that sit for a bit and we'll move on to the next Costco. Donley. What was great for air fryer, and it says 6 minutes to air fry. Here's that from the back. If you're gonna go to Costco, this is actually our second box, so that means it was good. So it is pre-packaged. Packaged too. This is good for work. You have probably an air fryer at work. And you could just open this up. It looks like it's already have oil on it, so I'm not gonna oil it. I'm just gonna place that in there. We're gonna put this in the air fryer, 400 degrees. 400 degrees, but I'm gonna do 5 minutes, not 6 minutes, because I'm gonna flip it and cook it for 2 more minutes. So with this air fryer, if you noticed, I haven't posted any videos, any new recipe using the air fryer. It's because I haven't really used it. I haven't used this air fryer to cook like a dish. We only use it recently just to preheat food, like cook something that are like already cooked, like the pre-packaged food, like what we're doing right now. The reason is it creates a lot of smoke, and it scares me because it happens more than 3 times and it sets off our alarm because it just created a lot of smoke. I'm not sure, maybe because it has 2 blades to burner and there's only one airflow vent in the back. I don't know if something to do with the design, but this unit really is very hot compared to the other one, the old Cosori. This one tends to be very hot. If you could just feel it, it's really hot. So every time I cook something that is gonna take more than 10 minutes, I don't use this one anymore. It's because, again, it creates a lot of smoke and I think it's unsafe. And I did send an email to Cosori and let them know about my concern, and I'm waiting for their response. But I'm gonna try on another air fryer unit, probably not a Cosori. I'm gonna post a video what kind, but it's actually a little smoky right now and it's very hot. If you could just feel it, it's hot. So definitely keep it away from the wall. And it's designed really great. It's just, I don't know, maybe the inside of it needs to be changed or something. But my concern is it creates a lot of smoke. Normally when I cook something, I could just leave it alone and then come back to it and it's done. With this one, anything that takes about more than 10 minutes, I have to check halfway through, make sure my kitchen is not burning or something, or smoky. Just for example, like a bacon, normally I just put it right here, air fry it, and come back to it. With this one, no, I have to watch it, because sometimes even in the 4 minutes of cooking, it's already created a lot of smoke. I'm not sure, it's probably the basket or I don't know. But again, we're waiting for Cosori to respond to my concern, see what they say about it. Or maybe it's just this unit, maybe I need to get it replaced. But let me know if this happens to you too, because I'm kind of like, I don't want to post something just to get a views, guys. I know air fryer is one of my niche and kind of attract a lot of viewers, but I don't want to use this, pretend it's good, but it didn't work for me. I think the last time I used this was last year to do a full dish, like a full meal. Like when I say a full meal, like a full recipe. Again, we were just using it to preheat, not to cook. So that's my review, updated review. And let me know if it happens to you, and if you reach out to Cosori and what they say about it. I'm going to flip this on the other side. This is supposed to be tacos, so we're thinking this is supposed to be really crispy. So let's put this back. 400 degrees, cook it for 2 minutes. I'm just gonna put it on the same plate as the quesadilla. It looks so good. I already tried this before and it's actually delicious. You should try it too. Very good. Hope you like this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know about what you think about the Cosori air fryer, and if you have air fryer other than Cosori, let me know. Any recommendation I will take, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Ciao.